Hey fam, welcome back. Let's talk imports. Last free dates, vessel ETAs, delivery orders. Let's go. Okay, so as you know, the imports are the opposite of the exports. Imports is freight coming into the country, whereas exports is freight going out of the country. So a basic import, you're picking up a loaded container, either from the rail or from the port, taking it to the receiver, getting it unloaded, and then you have to return that empty container either back to the port, to the rail, and sometimes a container yard. Okay, so imports always start with either a delivery order or a work order that you get from your customer. It's going to have your container number, your weight, the pickup location, delivery location, and most importantly, the name of the vessel or the ship that the container is traveling on. There are two important dates when it comes to working with import shipments. That's the ETA and the LFD. The ETA is the estimated time of arrival, whether it's coming into the port or it's coming in on the rail. That ETA is your estimated time that your container will be ready for pickup. The LFD is last free date, and this is the date that you must have your container pulled from the rail or the port before your customer starts getting charged what's called demurrage fees or storage fees. The port and the rail only allow for the container to sit for so many days before they start charging your customer demurrage fees. So when you get your delivery order from your customer, the first thing you want to find is your ETA. In order to find the ETA for a container that's coming into the port, you would take the vessel name that's on your delivery order and search for that vessel name on the port's website. Look for vessel schedules, put in the name of your vessel, and do a search. It will tell you what the ETA is, or the estimated time of arrival for that vessel. And probably within 1 or 2 days, your container should be ready for pickup after the vessel has arrived. If it's a container that's coming in on the rail, it's a little bit different. So on your delivery order, it'll tell you which rail is coming into, right? Your pickup location, whether it's going to be CSX, Norfolk Southern. So you would use those sites in order to track when your container will be there and ready for pickup. If you're going for Norfolk Southern, you would go to their website, put in your container number, do a search on that container number, and then that will give you your ETA. Once your container has arrived at the port or the rail, then you want to know when your last free date is. The clock has started ticking on how many days it can sit there until your customer will start getting charged storage fees. So in order to find the last free date when it's coming into the port, you want to look for that container number on the port's website under container tracking, cargo tracking, but you want to specifically look for your container number. And it's the same on the rail side. You would use your container number, search on that rail's website for your container number, and it will give you the last free date. So when you accept that import shipment from your customer, the first thing you want to find is your ETA. When will that container be ready for pickup? After that, it's the last free date. What is that last date that you can pick up that container before your customer starts getting charged storage fees? As long as you keep your two dates in mind, your ETA and your LFD, you'll be good to go. So let me know what questions you have. You can leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, and I'll see you in the next video.